Hello my beautiful wildflowers. I just wanted to give you an update on Lily. As you notice, she's all bandaged up. She has a little bandage on her front left paw from her IV, and her right rear leg, she actually broke her leg. And so she had to have surgery yesterday, which was Friday. Well, no, it's 2 days ago now. I'm recording this on a Saturday. And so she had to have surgery. She fell from the 3rd floor loft to the 2nd floor to the bottom of the staircase, the spiral staircase. And she must have landed like a little wonky and uneven. So she broke that right leg, but she's doing pretty good with it. And I mean, but she just doesn't know what to do with that leg now. It's just there and she's really uncomfortable. But, you know, she still has good appetite, which is good. And she's still trying to play. But as you can see, she's like, what is this thing on my leg? At least she's not chewing on it, which is nice. And so she goes back to the vet next Friday for a checkup. And a month from that day, she will have her x-ray again. So, yep. All right. Bye, guys.